Behold of the rolling wieners. You look like a model, Gretchen. You're gorgeous!
What are you doing? You have to...
No, you don't. Not with this.
You have to put... I'm confused.
Get off the pan! Get off the fucking pan! Yeah, baby? No.
They want to know what happened to the chick from Williamsville.
Oh, no, you don't need to worry about her. Why, what happened? You know what happened! She thought I was a freak. Yeah, I'm just kidding. What the hell's the goddamn television in this house? Sorry. God wanted this to happen. Hurry up before it burns, man. You put your right foot in and your left foot out. You do the hokey pokey and you shake it all about.
Don't touch it. Ew. So disgusting.
Oh. Yeah.
No, you're not doing it like a normal human being. Ew. If
That's
you can...
because I'm seeing.
No, you're not.
Ooh! New little Wumpy Wumpy came out. Get off, Wumpy Wumpy.
Wumpy.
Well, that's enough. Text message, gotta check it soon. And then, you stir it, causing this delicious meal that I'm gonna put on Food Network later today. Why isn't it stirring? I think I made it wrong.
So a little bit the cheese and the pepperoni. Okay, you did that.
Someone show up.
You're making pizza.
I got the pizza. I need a pan. You need a pan too.
Can we all just like, hold on, can we just listen to the sound effects, please?
This is all over our food.
Oh.
Making pizza. Got the pepperoni.
My hand's twitching. My hand's twitching. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
Should really work on that. Fast.
Lauren, you put your right foot in and your right foot out. You put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
I'm so confused. Lauren, get the pan.
You're such a whore.
We'll just share it.
I don't want to eat out of the same bowl with you. Give me this.
Lizzie.
What?
Just put it down. Give me some shells and cheese.
Are you... Come here.
Oh, bird.
Spoon? Who do you think you are? I like that.
Lauren.
I don't know anything, okay?
Okay, you do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself
I opened
around.
this off.
Really?
It is. Very sharp.
Remember that one time you stopped talking?
No, I really don't.
Oh, goodness, murder.
God damn. I want to check my face.